Welcome to Beats Spray Nozzle University. I'm Mary, your market response representative, here to talk about guidelines that will help you plan for effective tank cleaning. When it's time to install your tank cleaning nozzle, there are several key factors to consider for successful cleaning results. Let's start with nozzle placement. It's best to position the nozzles in the upper part of the tank if you can. However, be mindful not to place them too close to the top, as this can cause the spray to deflect off the curved surface, and this will reduce the cleaning impact. A good rule of thumb is to position the nozzle down 1/3 from the top of the tank. Now let's talk about pump capacity and size. The size of the pipes should match how much liquid needs to flow through them. Always ensure the pump capacity can supply the right pressure at the nozzle, considering pressure loss in the pipe. The correct pump capacity will prevent pressure loss in the pipes so the nozzle performs well. Drain hole size is another consideration. Drain hole size ensures the drain can handle whatever volume of liquid enters the tank. If the drain hole size is too small, water can accumulate inside the tank, causing the cleaning process to be ineffective. In some cases, a recirculating pump may be advantageous if draining is problematic. Refer to the chart to see how much liquid different drain sizes can handle. Lastly, let's talk about what happens when there are objects inside the tank, like mixers, agitators, or baffles, which can block the spray. In these cases, it might be helpful to have more than one nozzle inside the tank. These should be positioned so the spray can reach all areas, even behind the blocked parts. Now you have a few recommendations for effective tank cleaning. And for more assistance in planning, you can contact Beats Applications Engineering Department. Thanks for watching.